If you're looking for a way to automate Instagram and Facebook posts without MetaSuite, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule your posts with ease, using a great software alternative, and it's simpler than you might think. Stick around until the end because I'm also giving you access to an exclusive free trial for this software so you can follow along step by step. Now, if you've tried using MetaSuite for post automation and it just wasn't cutting it, or maybe you want to change, you're probably looking for something faster, more user-friendly, and effective. That's exactly what we're going to explore here. You don't have to settle for complicated setups or outdated tools. So let's dive right in. First off, we're going to use a software that allows you to schedule Instagram and Facebook posts in advance, saving you time. The beauty of this software is that it lets you schedule posts for multiple accounts, customize captions, add hashtags, and even set the perfect time for each post, all without needing to use MetaSuite. To get started, simply sign up for the software. The dashboard is intuitive, and setting up your account is quick. Once you're logged in, you'll connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts through a secure authorization process. This software integrates seamlessly with both platforms, making it a smooth process for automating posts. Now let's schedule a post. Click on the Create Post button. From here, you'll select the social media platforms you want to post to, Instagram, Facebook, or both. Then, upload the image or video you want to share. You can add your caption, and if you're posting on Instagram, you can include all the hashtags you typically use. There's also a feature that suggests relevant hashtags for maximum engagement. The key part of automation is scheduling. After uploading your content and crafting your caption, simply choose the time and date you want the post to go live. The software we're using makes it easy to pick a time zone so it works globally without a hitch. You can even set recurring posts if you want the same post to go out at regular intervals. Once you're happy with your setup, hit Schedule, and your post is all set. It will go live at the exact time you chose, without you needing to be online. You can check your scheduled posts at any time, and the software will let you know when it's successfully published. So, why should you switch to this method of automating Instagram and Facebook posts? Simple. It saves time, it's more flexible, and you can manage everything from one platform. And unlike MetaSuite, this software doesn't require a complicated setup and gives you more control over when and how your content is shared. Before we wrap up, remember that you can access a free trial of this software by clicking the link in the description below. This offer is exclusive to viewers of my channel, so be sure to take advantage of it. Key takeaway: automating your Instagram and Facebook posts without MetaSuite is totally possible, and it's much easier than it sounds. You simply need the right software that gives you flexibility, ease of use, and powerful scheduling tools. So grab your free trial below, try it out, and start automating your posts today. To recap, sign up, connect your accounts, create your post, choose your schedule, and hit Schedule. It's that simple. Make sure to check out the free trial in the description below. It's time to streamline your social media and stop stressing about posting manually every day. Thanks for watching.